If I had $1 for every time I heard someone say, there's no capital growth in Cairns, well, I'd probably have enough money to take my wife out for a nice steak dinner. The truth is, I hear this comment almost on the daily from buyers saying there's been no capital growth in Cairns. However, I do believe people have very short-term memories. In the 5 years leading up to December of 2007, property prices in Cairns doubled. Now, yes, the economic environment was a little bit different, but that growth was superior to the growth experienced in Sydney and Melbourne. Now, looking into the future, there's a number of factors that are starting to drive prices, and I think we will start to see price growth again leading into the short-term future in the Cairns market. There's a couple of really strong driving factors. Firstly, we're currently seeing rental prices increase dramatically in Cairns, especially closer into the CBD. Pretty much like the 4870 postcode really is seeing substantial growth at the moment. Secondly, looking at this sort of inner city area, there's no new residential development happening at the moment. There is some development happening out the south side of Cairns and out the northern beaches of Cairns, but in this sort of inner city area, there's very little new development happening for residential properties, and there's not much land to be left to be subdivided or developed. Essentially, it's a case of supply and demand. There really isn't much new supply coming to market in this sort of inner city area, and there is strong demand at the moment, and that demand is increasing, especially as the traffic gets worse out of the beaches and from the south side. I really think the inner city area will do well in the near future, and we will start to see strong capital growth. So if you are looking at the past as a reference point into the future, it's important to have a long-term sort of view of the past, because like I say, property prices did double in Cairns leading up to in the 5 years leading up to 2007, and I do feel that we are on the tipping point of seeing substantial capital growth again moving into the future in Cairns. As always, guys, if you are wanting the best result, it's important to get the best advice. So I'm only ever a phone call away, or shoot me a message on Facebook. I'd love to help you moving into the future.